What if I told you the future of smartphones is about to change forever? Imagine holding a device so advanced, so powerful, and so beautifully crafted that it feels like a glimpse into tomorrow. This isn't just a phone, it's the next big leap in technology. Introducing the iPhone 17 Ultra, a masterpiece of innovation built to redefine everything we thought possible. Designed with unmatched precision, engineered for ultimate performance, and created to inspire, this device takes the smartphone experience to a whole new level. The first thing you'll notice is its breathtaking 6.9-inch Super Retina display. Every detail bursts with life. Every color looks strikingly true, and with a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything you do feels incredibly smooth. Scrolling becomes effortless, games feel more immersive, and even the smallest actions are more fluid than ever. Whether you're watching your favorite series or capturing priceless memories, this display ensures every moment shines brighter and clearer. At the core of the iPhone 17 Ultra lies the groundbreaking Apple A19 Pro chip, crafted for lightning-fast speed and unmatched efficiency. From high-intensity gaming to professional-grade video editing, every task feels seamless. With advanced AI optimization, your phone always feels one step ahead, anticipating your needs and delivering instant responsiveness. And with a massive 12 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking has never been this effortless. Switch between apps, edit high-resolution videos, or push performance limits without even a hint of slowdown. Combine that with up to 1 terabyte of storage and your entire digital world, photos, videos, and everything else, lives right at your fingertips. Every memory deserves to be captured in stunning clarity, and that's exactly what the all-new 48-megapixel rear camera system delivers. Whether it's ultra-detailed daytime shots or breathtaking low-light photos, advanced AI ensures every image looks flawless. The improved portrait mode takes your photography to a professional level with stunning background bokeh. On the front, the 24-megapixel selfie camera with Face ID blends seamlessly into the dynamic island. With smarter HDR and AI enhancements, every selfie looks sharp, natural, and full of life. For creators, cinematic video mode transforms your content into smooth, sharp, and professional-looking footage. Keeping all this power running is a robust 4,700 mAh battery designed for true all-day use. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on the go, the iPhone 17 Ultra keeps up effortlessly. With smarter power management, energy efficiency reaches new heights, and thanks to fast charging and MagSafe support, you're always ready to move without waiting around. Running on iOS 19, this iPhone is smarter, faster, and more personal than ever. With new widgets, deeper customization, and advanced AI integration, your phone adapts to you in ways never seen before. And with Apple's next-level security and privacy features, your data stays safe, because your peace of mind is just as important as performance. This is more than just a smartphone. It's the future of technology in your hands. The iPhone 17 Ultra, powerful, intelligent, and built for those who demand nothing but the best. Launching September 2025, starting at $1,250. iPhone 17 Ultra. Ultra performance. Ultra experience. Ultra you.